Here I have Tecno Pova 5 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So firstly you should go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Do Not Disturb. So by tap on it once you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, you can add interruptions to this mode. It could be people, it could be apps, it could be alarms and other interruptions. You can also set up a schedule for this mode. You can set default duration of it, and you can display options for hidden notifications, like you can only hide notifications, hide sound from notifications, or you can hide sound and visuals. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.